Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore a useful feature in the Maps.me app that allows you to automatically download maps for offline use. This feature ensures you have access to maps even when you have no internet connection, making travel and navigation much easier. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down through the settings until you find the Internet section. Next, under Internet, you will see the option for Auto Download. Turn this option on to enable automatic map downloads whenever you are connected to the Internet. Finally, once the feature is enabled, Maps.me will automatically download the maps you need, keeping them updated for offline use without any extra effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides.